United SIKHS Malaysia launched a humanitarian mission to Myanmar, responding to the needs of the communities across the conflict-affected country after a devastating earthquake.
United SIKHS team, with our limited resources, we attempted to do as much as possible in our 11 days stay in Myanmar.
With 10 volunteers in tow, the mission provided essential supplies, medical assistance and support to displaced families. Its president Sunil Sukhveer Singh said with the help of other organizations and local partners, the group ensured aid reached those mostly in need, particularly women, children and senior citizens in remote areas.
We served 21,000 people with hot meals on a daily basis in the 10 days, and we walked the streets of Mandalay providing shelters for more than 200 families with tarpaulin and mosquito nettings, and we touched multiple number of people with lots of love and hope that they will be continually served in this big disaster.
The humanitarian effort also included setting up temporary medical camps, offering basic healthcare services and trauma support for communities that have lost access to medical facilities.
And we can see that people here are suffering from chronic diseases, and their ability to have medicines is very low. The efforts that have been put by all these organizations has helped people to improve their health faster during this period.
United SIKHS Malaysia has also initiated a global fundraising campaign to sustain these relief operations and expand their reach to other affected areas in the coming weeks.
The United SIKHS team returned back to Malaysia on the 18th, and we think a lot more need to be done. We are going back in May, first week of May, to give and to help about 15 families rebuild their homes, and a group of doctors will be following us. The main chronic diseases that they have is hypertensive. They are hypertensive, they're diabetic, and a lot of them have got eye irritation, respiratory issues, some chronic asthma cases as well.
Sunil, who is the ground coordinator, says they also plan to repair their base at the Gurdwara Sahib Mandalay, the house of worship, which was partially damaged by the quake.
The base camp where we basically have settled, that base camp was actually destroyed, and what we have done is we are now committing to rebuild that base camp so that future missions will be even more successful, will be even more easy for all of us to operate and to serve people.
United SIKHS Malaysia is appealing for additional assistance for Myanmar's affected population, with the goal of helping them return to normal life as quickly as possible.
So this house, having people around you in this moment really gives them that feeling of being loved and being cared. And I can see that appreciation in their eyes. I can see the feeling of relief in the people when we go there and see them. The gratitude that they have for the help that has arrived is just humongous, and we can feel that as volunteers. We can feel that coming, vibrating out of them, and we feel so good, and we feel that we need to do more for these people.
Thank you.
The March 28th quake killed more than 3,700, destroyed over 5,000 buildings, and has pushed 2 million people into reliance on aid, according to the United Nations.